We want to let you know the PRX Life processes for the special collection on machine learning structural biology. PRX Life is the American Physical Society's new interdisciplinary, open-access journal exclusively for quantitative biological research. The journal editors have prioritized efficiency in the submission process. We understand the demands on your time. For our authors' convenience, we are flexible. We don't have a template or format. Whether it's a LaTeX, PDF, or Word document, we will consider it. When preparing your manuscript, we have a few tips for you to ensure the process is as painless as possible. Mention that you want to be a part of the special collection on MLSB and update any reviews you obtain for the workshop. Remember, you can submit your manuscript to our special collection on machine learning in structural biology from now until June 2024. Take this time to improve your manuscript following our suggestions. Pay special attention to your titles and abstracts. They should frame your article concisely. PRX Life reaches a wider audience than the workshop. Keep the jargon minimal. If you add acronyms, ensure they're clearly defined in the manuscript. Also, the titles in your referenced articles aren't just decorative. They help us gauge the paper's significance. PRX Life also puts no limit on the length of regular articles. You can have as much or as little space as you need for regular articles. At PRX Life, the content drives the length of your article, not preset boundaries. Worried about supplementary materials? Don't be. Space is not a limit, so simply incorporate details as appendices.